Business Intelligence, TYBSc IT, Semester 6. Hello, myself Gauravi Ajrekar on behalf of VPN BM Bandolkar College of Thane. I welcome you all. Today we are going to learn about BI practical. Let's start with our practical. In practical number 1, we are going to learn about legacy data from a different source such as SQL, Server, Excel, Oracle, etc. and load in the target system. You can download sample database such as Adventure World, Notewing, Foodmart, etc. What is legacy data? Legacy is something which is old data but still in use and difficult to replace the data. I will explain it with example. We will take college examples only. In college there are so many students data available, but if we need it, it is difficult to find and make final result out of it, and it also difficult to analyze those data and make different result out of it. So in this practical we are going to learn about this only, how we can import our Excel data into our target machine, that is Power BI. Here we are going to use some sample database, that is Notewing database. Keep in mind that this practical is only based on basic features, how we will import legacy data into our target machine. Let's start with our practical. We are going to use Power BI. Let's open Power BI software. Here we get many features. Go to Home and select Get Data. Here are many options like Excel, Power BI Datasheet, Power BI Data Flow, SQL Server, Analysis Service, Text CSV file. The CSV file we already use in our practical in SYT. Or data field. There are so many fields available. We are going to make our practical based on Excel workbook. Let's click on Excel. I am using Notewing sample database. Open it. This Power BI is same as Excel software, but there are some advanced features in Power BI. See here there are the many graph charts, pie chart available here. Here we get many tables, categories, customer, employees. We can choose randomly any tables. I am going to choose order details, customer details, employees, product, region. That's it. This transform data is actually edit data and load. We are going to transform data first. That means we are going to edit data first. This is Power Query Editor. Here we can edit our table database if we want. check here, there are the many customers details available, employees, product detail, region detail. We can edit or directly close. That's it. We are done with our practical. Now we are going to learn how we'll input our data from OData field. Same process. Get data, go to OData field. Here we have to give URL link which I already stored in downloads. Practical data. Copy this URL and paste it in this field. We are going to keep basic only. Click on OK. It will take some time to load until we can close this Power Query editor. Here we will get same table like Excel Northwind database we get. We have to do same process, select a few tables from this and transform it. Here we get many tables. Out of this I am going to select all the tables and transform data. That's it. We are done with our practical number 1. Here it is some extra notes. In this practical we have learned basic features related to the Power BI. Power BI is a powerful tool compared with Microsoft Excel. It is simple, fast, ready for extensive modeling and real-time analysis. That's it with our practical. We can learn many features like visualization, modeling. There are many features in Power BI than this. Thank you. Hope you like this video.